Good evening, Mr. Prem Karki. Thank you for providing us your precious time. And today we are here to take your interview. We are the group of LBEF College, section ACE of semester first. And your interview is going to be about your personal work experience and your life journey up till date. So, could you please introduce us about yourself and your background?
It's me, Prem Karki. Currently, I'm working in the National Inclusion Commission. I'm the government employee of Nepal, and I have completed my master degree recently. And I'm the IT professional with a strong interest in technology solution and digital transformation, and that's all.
Can you please share us about your little about your earlier life and education?
Okay. I grew up with the curiosity towards the computer and technology. During my study, I focused on the IT subjects, programming, fundamentals, and the system operation, which helped to build my analytic thinking and the technical foundation. And from my early school life, I'm reading the computer subjects, and after completing the SLC also, I have again joined the computer subject up to the 12th class. After that, I have done the bachelor in information technology 4 year under the Tribhuvan University. Then I have completed my master degree from Purvanchal University recently.
So, what inspired you to choose IT as a career?
I was inspired by how the technology can simplify complex tasks and connect the people. Seeing a digital system improve the services motivate me to pursue IT as a career, where I could create the practical impact and the small things of the IT can give the big impact on the society or the delivering the public service by the governments to the peoples or to the citizens. So I choose my field as a career.
Wonderful,
IT
sir.
field.
So, why did you decide to work in government sector, sir?
The government sector provides an opportunity to serve the society at scale, in different scale. So I want to contribute to improve the public service through secure and efficient IT systems, and I could explore the new technology where the government cannot implement currently, and which will be the big impact for the country as well as the society people. So
How do you prepare? How do you prepare yourself to enter governance sectors?
at first I get the motivated from my family members only, because my all the family members are working as a government employee, most of them, and I prepared by strengthening the technical skills, learning about the public administration systems, studying about how the to compete in the public service commission. To pass that, at first we have to pursue the or to get the, employed to be employed in the government sector. At first you have to pass the exams, and you have to do the practical, all these things, and there will be the different level of exam like the IQ, mathematics, and the IT related question. So improving that and uh, problem solving abilities like that, I prepared myself to enter the government service.
Let's move towards your career journey and only challenges.
Mhm.
What was your first role in the IT field?
After completing my bachelor degree in 2018, uh, I got selected under the Ministry of, I think, National ID and Social Security Funds, and that is the contract job. So I get selected on that, and I got first IT role in a local uh, uh, municipality of my own hometown. Is a vital registration systems like birth, marriage, migration, divorce, to digitalize that. At first, in Nepal, there is a system of keeping all records in a paper-based
Yeah.
system. So, in order to transport or to digitalize that systems, I get to digitize that uh, paper-based system to the digital systems, and I use the different optical character recognition, machine learning, and different other technology to make easier to transfer that paper-based data to the digitalized data. That is my first role as a IT field. It's a career, my first career.
What challenges did you face in the early stages of your career?
Initially, adapting theoretical knowledge to the real world system was challenging, and managing multiple technical issues under time pressure also required, and quick learning is also required. And uh, if we have to work with the different field of different community, different ethnic groups, there may be the language barrier. We do not understand what they are trying to uh, convey us, or what they really try to pass the message to us. That was the difficult. And uh, at first, I was a student, so I'm transferring my the student life to the as a worker or the professional. So that was also the challenge to meet that things. So that is the things I'm sharing. Okay.
So did you do anything to balance that thing, that the problem in your early stage?
Um, um, yeah, I have done lots of things. I focused on continuous learning and guidance from the experience, my other staffs or those who have already enrolled in that profession or that jobs, and practice structured problem solving methods, and try to explore the problem where I'm weak, really, and that was my.
So, Mr. Prem Kaki, can you explain your main responsibilities in your current position?
I manage the IT systems, ensure smooth operation of software and network in the office where I work currently, and provides the technical supports on different IT related systems and software, and maintain the data security, and assist in implementing a digital solution, as well as I'll do the day-to-day office work, like making different later and about our current offices will do the inclusion related works in the 11 sectors, like handicapped people and disabled people and different ethnic groups sector, and uh, like that I used to handle the different websites also and maintaining that data day to day. Like that I used to do my responsibility in the current position.
And since your job is related to the government sector, how does the government makes the citizen adapt to the services provided digitally by the government?
Now there are the common challenges includes in the governments, like there are many legacy systems, and user adaptation is also the another challenges, and limited resources, and ensuring cyber security while maintaining accessibility. So in order to implement this or face these challenges, the government will provide the different educational video related how to handle that systems, and different pamphlets, and different they'll explore the news and the newspaper, and national radio televisions, like that.
And talking about challenges, what do you think is the biggest challenge in implementing the IT services?
The biggest challenge is the user adaptation, because if the user is unable to use that system what the government have developed, then there is no use of that IT systems, because the IT systems or the technology basically runs under the data. The things that the citizen have to input the data to the system, then the system will process and give the outputs. So user adaptation is the biggest challenge. So in order to handle that mm, things, the government is, I've already told you that the government is doing the different things like exploring different uh, 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 pamphlets and newspapers and media related that how to use that systems like that.
So, how important is cybersecurity in your department, sir?
Cybersecurity is critical because the government system handles sensitive data about all the personal data like citizens, national ID cards, driving license. They are the sensitive data, and in that all the biometric and demographic data are present. So, regular update, access control, and awareness trainings are essential. So, government is providing that through the different social media, news channels, and other how to be the secure about your details and everything like that.
So, have you ever experienced any kind of cybersecurity threat while you were working?
Yeah, I have faced many cybersecurity threats because in Nepal there is the trend of using pirated software. So, in that pirated software, it will many Trojan horse
Viruses.
systems will be injected, virus will be injected. So, most of the employee are unaware about that. Simply they will use the pirated software to complete their tasks, but they don't know that they are sensitive. Our sensitive data are also they are taking illegally. So I warned everyone, is you also don't use the pirated software, and we should have to be aware about that, our data and the systems.
Sure, sir.
Hmm.
Can you describe a major project you have worked on?
Uh, Sorry, about my educational or the government?
Your governmental.
Government recently 1 year ago I was working on the Department of Transport Management office. So in that I have work on license driving license. In that I'm working as a personalization. I work in the personalization software in which we will encrypt that our demographic as well as biometric data, and we'll insert that data in the chip, smart card chip, as well as we'll write in the demographic data in the card also using the uh, printer, Matica printer. In Nepal we use Matica printer. So I work in that system and the software.
So, how was your experience overall working in that major project? Did you like it handling such a big project?
Yeah, I love that working on that project because it will have a new experience for me to work on that different system because it is a very big project, and in a small company will not get that level of chance. Being a government employee, I got that opportunity to work on that big project, so I feel proud about that.
Moving to the achievements, what are achievements that made you proud?
I already mentioned before also. He asked me that about that what system you have done. I'm proud about that what I have done to personal license software about that driving license, and I'm proud of successfully improving system efficiency and reducing technical issues through the process optimization and proactive maintenance of that system.
Have you received any recognized or awards?
Yeah, currently I've received awards from my office because in every year the office currently I'm working uh, in a National Inclusion Commission. They will have the annual program, and it's the February 8th of February. It's the national, international, international Social Justice Day. On that day, we'll celebrate our that program. So on that day, I got 15,000 cash with the award of what I have done in my office according to my job roles and my profession.
Let's move towards personality and work ethics. Um, what personal qualities helps you succeed in your work?
My key qualities are the discipline, responsibility, and continuous learning. I stay committed to completing tasks on time, be punctual, and try to improve my technical and problem solving skills. And patience and adaptability also help me work efficiently in changing situation on the different fields or the different environment or with the different peoples.
Right.
So, sir, as you have mentioned, you're a government worker, and you mentioned before that there are lots of people who have adaptability problems. So, you might have a lot of hectic life, working as a government sector in Nepal, where people are not so adaptable to technology. So, how do you handle stress and pressure?
I handle stress and pressure by prioritizing tasks and focusing on solution instead of problems. During a high pressure situation, I remain calm, break work into smaller steps, and communicate clearly with my teams to ensure smooth progress to complete that task or the work to work on that pressure and stress environment.
So, as you have mentioned, you work on a very big project for Nepal transportation system. So, I'm sure that working on a big project, you have a big team, and there might be a lot of conflicts or a lot of problems or those kind of scenarios. So, in those kind of scenarios, how do you manage teamwork and conflicts?
I, I believe in respectful communication and understanding different perspective. When conflict arise, I listen carefully, focus on the common goals, and try to find the practical solution that benefits the team as well as the organization.
As you are in the government sector, how do you balance the professional and your personal life?
I manage my time carefully by setting priorities and maintaining the structured schedule, because in some time will in the government office also there will be the high pressure of jobs and we have to complete on times. So after work, I focus on after that I focus on the family, learning, and the personal activities to stay mentally refreshed and productive. And sometimes I used to visit the natural places to get refreshed, because most of the time being a IT professional, I have to work in the sitting on the screen computer, so we'll get the monotonous. So get relief from that, I'll visit most of the places with my family to enjoy different uh, places and to enjoy the different types of foods and the culture.
And now, then reflecting on yourself and your career, do you think there are any sectors that you can develop or you are trying to develop about yourself?
Sorry, I do not. Okay, please.
Yeah, reflecting yourself and your career, do you think are there any sectors that you think you are capable of developing or need to develop?
Um, Currently, I'm improving my knowledge on cybersecurity, system automation skills, because with the system automation, you can do the most of the tedious works automatically by using latest AI technology, machine learning, deep learning, and communication abilities also to handle technical responsibility more efficiently.
And speaking of your career, if you got a chance to restart your whole career, where do you think you would stand differently this time?
If I would focus earlier on the practical experience and specialized certification while building stronger on networking and project experience from the beginning, I'll start my career as a robotics, automation, and um, AI, artificial intelligence, because that sector will help the not only the single person but is the whole community, and that the robotics can help the disabled people by providing prosthetic arms, and those who cannot communicate with us, we can make the different brain machine interface systems. uh, so like that, I'll if I get this opportunity, I'll start my career from there.
Excellent answer.
Being in your work, you might have faces challenges. It's not like every day it goes same. So you might have been criticized for your work. So how do you respond to criticism or feedback?
I view feedback is an opportunity to grow myself because without criticism, I don't know the weak point where I'm lagging. So I listen carefully, evaluate the suggestion objectively, and apply improvement to enhance my performance.
And listening to those criticism, what do you think are your major weaknesses?
Uh, Maybe I'm my major weakness maybe that I do not open to the newly friends or the person very fast. So that may be my first criticism or the weak points.
So, what would you like to advise the new students in this field and their role in the upcoming government services?
I'd advise them to build strong technical fundamental, understand public services values, and develop problem-solving skills, and continuously learn the emerging technology while maintaining ethical responsibility. And as well as in order to be the government employee, you have to pass the different phases, or you have to face the different exams. So you have to prepare for that also. You must have the good knowledge of IQ. There will be different types of question, general knowledge about the different geological and structure of the Nepal province, districts, like that, and you have to be good on that knowledge also.
And as today's students are mostly dependent on AIs and all the technologies, do you think it will be difficult for them to work in this sector, IT field, or something?
No, the AI is the everything have the good and the bad parts, the prospects. So if you take it positively and if you do the things in the right direction, the AI will change the world in next 5 years maybe. We will be in the different dimensions at the different level in the upcoming uh, times.
Once again, thank you, Mr. Prem Kaki, for your valuable time, and we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for you to attending our interview and being a part of our project.
Thank you for giving me chance to share my personal life experience as well as my working experience. So I'll also really thank to you all the teams.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.